Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, east central Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Nolensville, or 12 miles east of Franklin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Smyrna, La Vernie, Nolensville, Walter Hill, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Las Gases, Milton, and Troon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 between mile markers 60 and 83. Interstate 840 between mile markers 39 and 67. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee.